Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter 5. How to create schedule ad. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to create schedule ad. Step by step. So let's get started. In the TikTok Ads Manager, click the Create Ad button, and choose the ad generator mode that suits you. This time we select Simplified mode, and choose your advertising goals. We choose traffic. Next, set your advertising audience, select a custom audience, and set demographics, such as gender, age, language. Then at the bottom, you can set where your ad will appear, only on TikTok, or it will also appear on other networks such as on Pangle. And click the Continue button. Next you determine your daily advertising budget, and determine your ad schedule, when it will start and when it will end. And click the Continue button. You have successfully created an ad schedule. The next step is to connect with your TikTok account and click the Submit button. That's how to create your ad schedule. See you in the next tutorial.